Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Graybar Rotary desk telephone, and this is Josh's equipment from PA, and this is the initial checkout of this very cool telephone. Now Josh has a note with this unit, and he's talking about he wants the handset upgraded. So the transmitter will be upgraded with an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, and the receiver for this handset is a diaphragm style receiver, and that will be upgraded. We also want to troubleshoot the line cord and install a modular line adapter so it can be plugged into any modern jack. All of the connections inside the base of this telephone are disconnected, so we want to take care of that issue. We also want to go through the rotary. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary. We want to take a look at the hook switch. We want to make sure that the hook switch is working properly and that it's connected into the wiring properly. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool Graybar rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention that we have an amplifier connected up to the inside of the base of the telephone, and I have a button on the amplifier. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is go ahead and give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, July 19th. The current time, 2:16 p.m. and the temperature, 91 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Graybar Rotary desk telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Josh and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.